Today we're gonna talk how to recognize when olives are ready for harvesting, and there is a bit of misinformation. Usually they say, for example, during the month of September we harvest them, but it's not correct. Olives are harvested when they start to blacken at the end. They start to become a purplish black color at the end, and that is a good time to harvest. Okay, maybe they ripen at September or the month they say, but the perfect time is always when they ripen at the end. They start to blacken out at the end. It's like a black or purple hue, and that's the time when they harvest. I'll try to show some photos of when to recognize the color. These olives still need to grow a bit size, a bit larger size, and then if you want them black, you can leave them to blacken out, or if you want them green, just leave the tip, only the tip, to blacken out. Okay, and that's how you recognize when the olives are ready to harvest.